a Delhi court extended till the 3rd of July the judicial custody of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in a money laundering case linked to the alleged excise scam. Vacation Judge Nyay Bindu of Rouse Avenue Courts extended Mr Kejriwal's judicial remand after he was produced from the Tihar jail through virtual mode on the expiry of his judicial custody. The court actually also heard Mr Kejriwal's regular bail plea. While Kejriwal's counsel completed the submissions, Enforcement Directorate submissions were completed in part, and now the matter will be heard today for completion of arguments as well as the rejoinder. Aishwarya Jain's tracking the latest developments as far as the Delhi Chief Minister is concerned. He joins us live at the moment. Aishwarya, the Delhi court has extended Arvind Kejriwal's judicial custody until the 3rd of July.
Well, certainly yesterday it was Arvind Kejriwal who appeared via video conferencing from Tihar jail, and his judicial custody had been extended till 3rd of July. It is the first time now he had filed a regular bail plea in the Delhi court, and the arguments yesterday perhaps went for almost 2 hours, to which special judge stated that she will not reserve the order and she will pass an order as soon as the hearing will conclude. It was stated by the counsels of the Enforcement Directorate that yes, they had the evidences of the 100 crore transaction they are talking about. They have the proofs, and certainly they can produce before the Delhi court. It was also stated by the counsels of the Enforcement Directorate that the Hawala transactions and the statements of Hawala operators can be produced before the court, and later it was stated by the counsels that he is being alleged under the offence of Section 45 of the PMLA, and also Aam Aadmi Party being an accused in this case, and each and everyone who has been responsible in these transactions will be held accountable. Remember, it is from the side of Arvind Kejriwal. On one side, he had filed an application for regular bail. On the other, it was also requested to the court that Sunita Kejriwal, his wife, should appear via video conferencing when there has been a medical examination of Arvind Kejriwal. It is done inside the Tihar prison. Today, the arguments will go on. Of course, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel yesterday opposed this bail plea, and it was the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal who also has alleged that Enforcement Directorate is running an extortion racket, and without any evidences. It is only on the basis of the approver's statement Arvind Kejriwal had been arrested, to which it was stated later by the Enforcement Directorate's counsel that it is just not the approver's statement, but Arvind Kejriwal has not pleaded guilty in this case till now. He has just been saying that these statements are false. The arguments will continue. The rejoinders will be filed today, and we are expecting the order to come out today in the alleged Delhi liquor policy case in terms of Arvind Kejriwal.
Right. Aishwarya, before we wrap, while Mr Kejriwal's counsel has completed the submissions, the Enforcement Directorate submissions were only completed in part?
Well, certainly today it would be the statements from and the arguments from the side of Arvind Kejriwal that would be heard in front of the Delhi court, and later rejoinders will be submitted by the Enforcement Directorate. In all likelihood, there would be some evidences that would be provided by the Enforcement Directorate today as well in front of the Delhi court. Because there are several other cases, and this is a special judge which is hearing this particular case. She clearly stated yesterday that she will not reserve the order, and she will be pronouncing this order as soon as the arguments will finish. So clearly all eyes on the Delhi court as far as the arguments are concerned. We are being told that the hearing is currently underway at the Delhi court.